Okay, so kumuha tayo ng Montero. Now, second hand siya, so hindi ko sigurado yung quality ng sasakyan. So naturally, kapag second hand yan, the first thing we need to do is to bring it back to original condition before any upgrade. So, clearly yung Montero natin, it's not really, I wanna say yung condition niya is pretty bad. There are a lot of things that needs to be changed. So, bumili tayo ng mga parts na kailangan. Now, dumating na sila sa Shopee. Order lang natin, powered by Shopee ang sasakyan natin. So, kinuha natin first is mga engine mounts. We have to make sure stable yung engine. Diesel yan. So, ma-vibrate yan versus gas. So, yung engine mount, if bago yan, it should absorb yung vibration ng diesel and lessen yung noise it makes. So, the first one is yung left and right natin na engine mount or engine support. So, ito yung original Mitsubishi parts na kinukuha natin. Technically, pwede kayo mag-go for aftermarket kasi pag mga engine na ganito, you don't really need yung branded. But if you can expend a little more nga, it will be more expensive lang. And you have the budget, don't cheap out on these parts kasi safety to ng sasakyan nyo. So, sasakay mo wife mo, kids mo, or yung chicks mo, at least safe yung sasakyan. Confident ka. So, yun yung one side ng engine support. Next is, we got filters din. So, PMS, we don't know yung condition, di natin sure kailan yung last. Again, original na Mitsubishi dapat nakukunin mo na part. Ipapadala natin to sa sa trusted shop ko. Sila magbubuo nung Montero. It's a 2009 model na 4M41 4x4. Well, gusto ko sana i-drag yun but safety first. It's a different story syempre pag may tiwala ka sa sasakyan mo. Ngayon, if wala kang tiwala, that's challenging. Pangit ng feeling kapag umaandar ka sa kalsada tapos wala kang tiwala sa sarili mong sasakyan. Hindi naman siya brand new, wala naman tayo masyadong money. So, we don't want any form ng disgrasya. Well, i-check kasi muna natin to make sure kompleto yung mga napadala. Hindi ko sure kung tama mga pinagpipili ko Binigyan ako ng list ng mechanic. So, yung store owner natin is si Bachi. If taga South kayo, PCH Performance ang pangalan ng store niya. I've never encountered any forms ng returns or rejects sa store na to. So, shout out dun sa store. You have a car na gusto mo gawin yung PMS or any form ng upgrade tapos you wanna go on with your day peacefully na hindi ka nakabantay. Yan, PCH. Located sila sa San Pedro. Now, not only engine support, since 4x4 tayo, we do have yung propeller natin. Yung propeller also has yung mga brackets and mounts nun. Again, it's a second-hand car. Hindi ko sure kung safe or not, so we also bought it. Kumuha rin tayo ng mga support nun. I forgot ano tawag dito, but again, Mitsubishi part pa rin. OEM tayo, I can't do any form ng upgrade. It's expensive, but mas mahal yung mga parts ng OEM, but mas mahal magpa-hospital, so we don't want that. I'd rather risk yung expense, accidents later. So timing chain yun, but meron pa rin siyang serpentine belt. Mitsubishi part pa rin ang kinuha natin. We're doing mostly yung engine niya. Dumating na yung wife ko. I'm not sure ano to. Engine mount. Parang kulang. Wala yung transmission support. Actually, kulang pa to. Alam mo, speaking of expenses, I know minsan kasi hindi porket mura, mura. So, spending a little more may save you a lot on the later part. So, okay na yun. Gumastos na lang ng tama kaysa yung pinuripot mo lahat tapos magsunod-sunod yung sakit ng sasakyan. I do believe lahat na ng parts andito, well, supposed to be. Head gasket, Mitsubishi part pa rin. May 4D5060 kasi, and meron yung 4M41, so yung sa atin yung 4M41 version. be sure to check your parts before ordering. Itong malaki natin, alam ko oils to eh. Pero sana andito yung transmission support. Fuck. Puro langis lang. So Mitsubishi na ATF SP3 transmission oil. 5 liters ang kinuha natin pero kulang pa yung transmission support natin. Check ko sa loob baka dumating na or hindi pa dumadating. 4:30 pa lang. Okay. Ay nako, medyo unfortunate yung scenario kasi I needed yung engine supports lahat sabay-sabay sana dumating para pag binaklas sila may mount. Ang nangyari, isa-isa dumating. Tapos nag-order ako nung engine support, left and right dapat yun. Kinancel nung store yung isa. So dumating, isa lang. Sayang ang pagod. Kawawa yung mechanic na bubuo kasi pagkatapos niya baklasin ng isa, kulang pa pala. Anak ng... Ay nako. Minsan, sometimes talaga. But you know, it's okay. Wala, it can't be helped eh. In order na natin yung part needed. So we have to wait for it once more dumating. We will be delayed one more day. So for the meanwhile, I called the shop. Sabi nila battery, okay na daw. So for now, lilinisin na lang din muna yung turbo nung Montero. So we haven't seen ano yung mga gaskets pa na kailangan i-replace. We haven't seen yung mga gasket na kailangan i-replace. So papalitan muna natin yung top gasket. Total nakakuha na tayo ng part nun. Then we will see where the rest of the leak is coming from. Slow process. Grueling kasi iisa-isahin. We'll see. I can't show photos pa nung Montero eh, but I'll try to take a video of it when I get a chance pag binisit namin sila Bachi. Ayun lang. So, keep you guys posted.